Good evening, guys. Myself Prem, and I'm studying class 12. So let's go to limits chapter. Limits, very short questions, important, very short questions. So first one, find limit x tends to 0 root over 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x. Okay, solution. So limit x tends to 0, writing the given, write the given divided by x. So now we need to rationalize. Limit x tends to 0, root over 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x into root over 1 plus x plus 1 divided by 1 plus x plus 1. Okay, so upon rationalizing, it forms limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x into root over 1 plus x plus 1. Okay, plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, and x will get cancelled. So we get limit x tends to 0, 1 by root over 1 plus x plus 1. Okay, sorry. Now applying limit, then it forms root over 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the final answer. Okay, now let's go to second sum. Let's go to second sum. Okay, so second sum, compute limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 divided by root over 1 plus x minus 1. Okay, solution. So again we need to do rationalize. X minus 1 divided by root over 1 plus x minus 1 into root over 1 plus x plus 1 divided by root over 1 plus x plus 1. Okay, upon rationalizing, we get limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 into root over 1 plus x plus 1 divided by 1 plus x minus 1. Okay, so plus will get cancelled, and we get only 1. So we need to separate limit x minus 1 power divided by x into limit x tends to 0, root over 1 plus x plus 1. Okay, we have separated the limit. So limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 divided by x is nothing but 1. Okay, 1 into, now we need to apply limit, then 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is 1 plus 1 is known as 2. 2 is the final answer. Okay, now let's go to third sum. Third sum, let's go to third question. Third question, compute limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 divided by b power x minus 1, where a is greater than 0 and b is less than, b is also greater than 0. Okay, and b is not equal to 1. Okay, b is not equal to 1. So solution, limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 divided by b power x minus 1. Okay, then we need to divide the numerator and denominator by x. So limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 divided by x divided by b power x minus 1 divided by x. Okay, so now we need to separate limit for this, and limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 divided by x divided by limit x tends to 0, b power x minus 1 divided by b power x. Okay, so we know this formula, limit extends to 0, a power x minus 1 divided by x is nothing but log ea, and even similar to down this denominator, then we can write it as log ea divided by log eb. Okay, this is the final answer. Now let's go to fourth sum. Fourth sum, compute limit x tends to 0 e power x minus sin x minus 1 divided by x. Okay, so what we need to do is, so if we separate sin x by sin x, then we can write it as limit x tends to 0 e power x minus sin x minus 1 divided by x. So in order to find the answer, we need to separate the limit. So limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 divided by x, we can write it like this, minus limit x tends to 0 sin x by x, we can write it like this. So sin x by x is nothing but sin x by x is nothing but 1, and limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 divided by x is nothing but 1. So 1 minus 1 is equals to 0 is the final answer. Okay, now let's go to fifth question. Compute limit x tends to 0 e power x minus sin x, sorry, solve it over. Compute limit x tends to pi by 2, pi by 2 cos x divided by x minus pi by 2. Okay, so write the given limit x tends to pi by 2 cos x divided by x minus pi by 2. Okay, so if x minus pi by 2 is equals to theta, then x is equals to theta plus pi by 2. Okay, and where x is equals to pi by 2. Okay, and theta tends to 0. So limit x tends to pi by 2 cos x divided by x minus pi by 2 is equals to limit x tends to, so theta tends to 0 cos of pi by 2 plus theta divided by theta. You can write it as minus, sorry, limit theta tends to 0 minus sine theta divided by theta is equals to limit theta tends to 0, taking minus outside, sine theta by theta, which is equals to 1 minus 1 is the final answer. Okay, let's go to sixth sum. Okay, so sixth one, compute limit x tends to 0 sine ax divided by x cos x. Okay, solution, write the given limit x tends to 0 sine ax divided by x cos x, which is nothing but limit x tends to 0, separating limit x by x into limit x tends to 0 1 by cos x. Okay, so sine mx, limit x tends to 0, sine of mx divided by x is nothing but m only. So a into 1 by cos 0, which is equals to a into 1 by 1, which is a. A is the answer. Okay, now let's go to seventh sum. Seventh sum, compute limit x tends to 1 sine of x minus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Okay, then solution, limit x tends to 1 sine of x minus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Okay, x square minus 1, which is nothing but limit x tends to 1 sine of x, we need to split this term, or by x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay, x plus 1 into x minus 1. Then limit x tends to 1 is equals, limit x tends to 1. Okay, it also tends to 0. If it tends to 0, then sine of x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Okay, x minus 1 into limit x tends to 1 divided by 1 x plus 1. Okay, sine x by x is nothing but 1. So 1 into root 1 by 1 plus 1 is equals to 1 by 2 is the final answer. Now let's go to eighth sum. Okay, eighth sum, compute limit x tends to 0, x tends to a, sorry, limit x tends to a, tan of x minus a divided by x square minus a square, where a is not equal to 0. Solution. So limit x tends to a, tan of x minus a divided by x square minus a square. We can write it as limit x tends to a, tan of x minus a divided by x plus a into x minus a. Okay, then limit x tends to a, tan of x minus a divided by x minus a into 1 by x plus a. So tan x by x is nothing but 1. So 1 by, applying here limit x tends to a, applying limit here, then it becomes 1 into 1 by a plus a, which is equals to 1 by 2a is the answer. Now let's go to 10th sum. Okay, let's go to 10th sum. Compute limit x tends to 0, e power 3x minus 1 divided by x. Okay, solution. So limit x tends to 0, e power 3x minus 1 divided by x. Write the given. Now we need to divide and multiply by 3. So limit x tends to 0, e power 3x minus 1 divided by 3x into 3. Okay, into 3. Separating this numerical. So 3 into limit x tends to 0, e power 3x minus 1 divided by 3x. It is in the form of e power x minus 1 divided by x. So it is gonna be 1. Therefore 3 into 1 is equals to 3 is the final answer. That's it guys. I hope you all guys understand. Thank you. If anyone has doubts, please comment.